Hello, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to safely get apps like MovieBox in 2025, and this is the right way. Don't go to random websites or APK link. So just go to your Play Store app. So right here on my Play Store app, if you type in MovieBox, you will see that there is no official MovieBox app on your Play Store app because the app is corrupted. Don't worry, there's safe and legal alternative apps that you can easily download your movies, watch your movies, and also stream on the app. This is what you need to know as well. Always download your apps from your Play Store app in order to stay safe and free from fake MovieBox that can corrupt your device. So the first app I will have to type in here is my Plex. So right here you can see the app called Plex. It's a very good app that don't only allow you to stream on it also allows you to organize your media. So let's go through it, and you can easily watch your movie from here. You just have to watch it by browsing the genre. So we have the action genre, we have the animation, we have the comedy, we have the crime, we have the descriptive audio, we have the documentary, we have the drama, we have the horror, and so on. So any of them you just click on, it will give you the list of movies under it. So guys, that is it on how to make use of this app. This app is very legal and safe for you. The next app that I have here is our very YouTube app. All you have to do here is to type in the particular movie you want to watch or stream. You just have to type it in and you'll be able to watch that movie directly from your YouTube, and it is very safe. So guys, that is it on how to safely get apps like MovieBox. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.